Hello guys, I am back from the dead, and this is the first time we should continue to the topic. Okay, Godzilla has been back from the dead again. This is part 2 of what we saw from the movie. While it took a while to get to Godzilla 2 is because of the King Kong franchise. They had to stick all of the history from the 1980s Vietnam War. So we are continuing the video from when after Godzilla escaped or vanished from the last time in the city. I don't know what city was that, but it was city. I just don't remember. Okay, before I go to the pictures, I would like to thank those who watch the videos on my channel, and huge shout out for you. Also, I will do a shout out next time. This time I'm just hurrying up because this is the first time I'm making a decent one. I think this, I'm not sure if it's a decent one, but so for further ado, I will show you how many monster is in the Godzilla 2 King of the Monsters. So bye! Okay guys, I have to restart the intro because I got the names wrong, so you won't hear what I said from the start. So let's start. The first one is Mothra. I'm doing this by popularity, so that's why Mothra was first. I think he's the one most suitable for the first one to be known in the genre. The second one is Kingdra, and the third one is Pterodactyl with a P on the start. So let's start with Mothra. Mothra is a monster that protects the Mount Fuji, close to it. So Mount Fuji, I think, or another mountain from the province in Japan. So it protects the citizens in the island and considered a deity or a god in that island. So the next one is Kingdra, is the three-headed monster. Is the most popular enemy of Godzilla. Well, I wouldn't say that Mothra would be his partner, Godzilla's partner in the movies or in the series, because Godzilla has a series in Japan. But Mothra is not one that you can count on when Godzilla needs help. So not always, because Mothra only helps when the monster are on his island or when the people request helps from Mothra. So the third one is a Pterodactyl with a P. So Pterodactyl is a old nemesis of Godzilla, not really threatening, but is one of the flying enemy of Godzilla, which is rare from his list of enemies. This one is the most unknown from the movie because it was only shown a brief moment destroying the cities and flying from the mountain. This monster is capable of withstanding heat from mountains. I don't know why, but from the first time I saw this monster, it was not like that. So I don't know what's the movie's tackling. Why would they do that? So last one is Godzilla. I don't know much from the movie from last time, but he emits radiation, but this Godzilla loses strength every time he uses it. So kind of balance for me. Because this movie is not a 3v1, this will be a 2v2. Because Godzilla will not attack 3 monsters all at once, and he would not kill Mothra as far as I know, but depends on the directors or the producers or anyone who can influence this movie, who can protect it. So that's all for the monsters that intro. If you want a better description of the monsters, I will give it if this gets 100 likes or I get a 1000 subs because I really need the 1000 subs. So About the movie, we are shown with the brief of the monsters doing stuff, introducing Matra, Godzilla spying his ray for no reason at the sky, and the last one showing Pterodactyl and Kingdra. I don't know why the kid was smiling at the end, so that's really a creeper for me. I don't know why. So that's all. If you want a montage, I will be showing it at the end. So I will get a copyright soon. So I really don't care about the copyright because I am not being paid in YouTube. So thank you for listening for my 5-minute review for how many monsters in Godzilla King of the Monsters. Thank you and goodbye. Hope you have a good day.